Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view the update log in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and as we know that the latest update, which is the vaulted update, has been released in Plants vs Brainrots, and we get new feature guys from this update. I'm going to show you the new feature. You can go to the setting and you can scroll down and then you will find the view update log. Okay, when you click on this menu, you will see the update log like this. Before the update, we only get the update log when the first time we open the game, but now you can open it anytime. Okay, this is for the vaulted update, January 17th, 2026. And this is the previous update, the Sprout studies, and gym time, and Happy New Year's. And yeah, this is the update log. And I'm going to click on OK. Okay guys, and that's all about the view update log feature in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.